Really? Seriously? A headlight's out on my 2009 G6? GM, why did you have to make it to where you have to pull the entire headlight assembly out of the car, remove the bumper halfway, just to get to change a light bulb? And on top of that, the G6s are known for burning the wires up to the headlight bulbs. Well, let's get into this and see what we have to fix here. Alright, let's open the door here real quick. We'll go ahead and pop the hood. It's down here. Grab this, pull that, and then let's get to the front of the car and we'll get this hood up and latched so we can start the process of unbolting stuff to get to that headlight. Alright, so here's GM's infinite wisdom. You just can't reach your hand back behind here and pull a light bulb out and then stick a new one in and be done and move on with your life. No, you have to remove this entire assembly. You have to take off that bolt and this bolt. They're both 7mm bolts. Then the headlight sits in behind the bumper. So you got to take off all those plastic clips and pull them forward in order to even get the housing out in order to change the light. Alright, so right here in front, see these little black circles? They are plastic little rivets in a sense. All you gotta do is take a screwdriver and you're gonna lift under, there's a little tab there you can see, and you're gonna lift it straight up and pull the whole thing right out. Let me get close for you. Alright, take your screwdriver. You're gonna see the little indentation right there. Just take your screwdriver, lift it up, and that whole thing will just pop out. There's the bottom part. Grab that so you don't lose it. And there you go. Just keep doing that to the other 5 that you have on that front bumper. And you'll be able to move that bumper freely on the top there so we can get these headlights out. Now this is when the fun starts. You get to wiggle your headlight out. Now there is a clip on that back side closest to the door that you have to wiggle out. It's just a clip that should press out. So you take your time and you wiggle, and you're not really going to break anything. If you do break anything, those other 2 screws at the top are going to hold it all into place. Guys, if you're a first time watcher of my show, the G6 Brotherhood is all about DIY videos to help you repair and fix and upgrade your Pontiac G6. And if you want, would you hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the video? And down below there's a link to get your own shirt. We just got them in too. Let's take a look. Damn packaging. Sweet. The new G6 Brotherhood shirts are in. So grab yourself one down below and help support the channel to keep us making amazing and great videos. Thanks so much. So let's get back to fixing these headlights on my G6. Guys, when I tell you the struggle is real to get these headlights out, it is a real struggle to get them out. Unfortunately, on the driver's side, when I pulled it, it was in so tight it actually broke the clip on the side there that I'm trying to pull off. And again, like I said, once you put the 2 bolts in on the top of the headlight, it's going to stay in place, so don't worry about breaking it. Alright guys, just find that center one right there. That's the one that's out. Unscrew that and that cap will come right off, giving you access to the back of the bulb. Alright guys, all you got to do is remove the 2 clips on the side. So take a screwdriver, slip it in right here like this, lift that up, kind of hold it up, slip it in over here, lift that one up, and the connector comes right out. Now if you kind of see right there, see how it's kind of burned? That's a typical thing on these G6s, so we may have to replace that wire if we need to. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a close-up view of that connector. See how that's been burned? I may have to just go ahead and buy a new pigtail and wire it up in there to fix our headlight issue. But if not, eventually it's going to have to be done, if not today. So let me grab one of those new bulbs. Let's see if... Alright, let's go ahead and plug our new light bulb in. Make sure it's fitting good. Just push it right back down the way you did before. And then let's turn the lights on and see if it lights up for us before we put this all back together. And let's get over here. I'll turn the light on. There it is. Up. Okay, so we don't need to replace that pigtail right now. So we'll do that in another video. I'll show you how to do that. So we have light. So let's put this back in and let's move over to the next one. Alright guys, let's grab that cover. We'll screw it back in. Get that into place. Nice and tight. And then we'll position it back into the bumper. That's where that plastic clip broke right there. I'm just not going to mess with it. It's going to hold up just fine. Alright guys, simply just kind of square it back up, slip it behind the bumper, grab those two 7mm screws, line them up, do that top one first for placement, grab that other screw and put it on that one there, and then just make sure they're nice and snug and tight, and you're done replacing a headlight on a Pontiac G6. Not too hard, but a pain in the ass nonetheless. Alright guys, and finally we just need to put those little plastic clips back in the bumper. So you'll just line the holes up in the bumper with the body, push those clips in, and just go around and put in each one and just push them down until you get all of them realigned and in place. Alright, now we'll just look at our work. We got two headlights nice and bright. We are ready to get back on the road. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out other videos on our Pontiac G6 series.